How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Now, as you can tell by the title of it, if you've been on the internet at all this past week or two, you would know about the storming of Area 51 and the huge group. I think the Facebook event has like almost 2 million people, saying they're going. Pretty funny, crazy stuff. Well, with reading, through the groups, all the memes, the attack plans, you would know that there's the Kyles, the Naruto runners, pebble throwers, Karens, people parachuting, crazy stuff. Well, I saw a meme or a thing about vehicles and what vehicles to use, and it got me thinking. My car is perfect for this, storming Area 51 thing. So here's why, and here's how to make your car work if you're gonna go do it. So first things first, you guys can tell I got the camo wrap. Now you guys probably can't see the car right now, but if I start pointing out the shapes, here's a white, here's the blue, the silver, the black, you guys can start seeing the car. Well, everyone knows that once you camouflage something, you're basically invisible. So this is going to help you guys get up to the base, get past the gate, and start making your way to the base itself, which I heard is a couple miles, in the desert. So that's what you guys want to do. This cost me about $100. Super easy. I'll link a video of how to do it. Really simple. Now, even though, this is pretty flashy, the blue with the white, it's still camouflage. You're still going to be invisible. But you guys can do, for desert, a tan color, browns, maybe a black, things like that. Then your wheels. Now, you don't want flashy wheels because they'll see you. They'll just see wheels driving around in the area. So you either want to paint your wheels to the color of your wrap or just paint them black so they'll blend in. So that's the first thing you guys want to do, is camouflage your car. Second thing you guys want to do, there was this thing about Subarus and backfiring and stuff with the exhaust. So you guys are gonna want to do an exhaust on your car, get it tuned so you can backfire, pop, shoot flames, do all that stuff. Because once you get into the base, you're past the gate in the area. In order to make it easier for all the Kyles to start running in and destroying stuff, you're gonna want to make a bunch of noise, bunch of fire everywhere. So I'm tuned on E85. I have an E85 flame map, so my car backfires, pops, shoots flames, it does all that. And I'll post a little clip right here of it doing it. So that's the second thing you guys want to do. Make sure your exhaust backfires so you can make a ton of noise, and you could get them, you get the Kyles, the Naruto runners, and all them, the distractions that they need to get into the base. All right, so we're inside the car for this one. Now, I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat, a lot of shit for this, but whatever, it's for the cause. Automatic transmission. Now, yes, I know, it's not as fun as a manual. Blah, blah this, blah, blah that. Well, the good thing about an automatic transmission is, if you're storming this base, you're in the middle of, the moment, trying to dodge guards, dodge whatever, dodge the Kyles, dodge the Naruto runners. I know you're a professional race car driver and all, but if you have a, stick shift, we can't have you missing gears, bogging the car, grinding gears, hell, even possibly burning up your clutch. We can't have that. So just for simplicity's sake, and just make it easier, bulletproof, foolproof, automatic transmission. Throw it into drive. The G35s, 350Zs has sport shift, so you can still select gears, whatever, but it just makes things easier, guys. Just trust me. You're not going to want to worry about shifting while you're trying to dodge, bullets and shit. So, because even though you are camouflage, once you start backfiring and popping flames out the exhaust, they're gonna see you, so they'll just start shooting at you. This next one is specifically for G35 and 350Zs. This right here is a NonRev engine, so just the normal DE. Now, you want this over the rev up because, with the rev up engine, you're gonna be burning, losing oil, consuming oil. We can't have you blowing your engine while you're revving it to pop flames and stuff. We don't want any of that. We don't want you stuck out there. possibly die because you're stuck. So just go with the non-rev engine. So earlier years, G35 and 350Zs, or the automatic later years, G and Zs have the non-rev D engine. You're gonna want this instead of your oil-consuming rev up. And then, ooh, God, it looks so good. All right, then last but not least, I'm gonna include the G35 sedans, older years, and then the G37 sedans and G37 coupes. If you're all-wheel drive, huge plus. You know, we're gonna be out in the desert, in the sand. Rear-wheel drive, you could probably get by, but with you all-wheel drive guys, you'll be able to, you know, do that much quicker maneuvers, get around things easier, and just be all around better. So if you have one of those, definitely bring it out, because we could use that all-wheel drive. And I think that's it. That's really all I got for you guys to prepare your vehicle to storm Area 51. Now, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say that this is all a joke. Please, no one take this seriously. And also, I don't want to be on any FBI watch list or anything. This is just for clicks and views. So, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.